Kamusta mga balibulista? Tinalo ng Akari Chargers ang Signal HD Spikers 15-25, 25-17, 25-19, 25-22. Best player of the game si Oli Ocaro sa likod ng kanyang 24 points mula sa 22 attacks, 1 block at 1 ace. Panalo naman ang Capital One Solar Spikers kontra sa Zeus Thunderbells 18-25, 20-25, 19-25, 18-25. Best player of the game si Irish Tonilada matapos nagtala ng 5 points mula sa 5 attacks at may kasamang 21 excellent sets. Pinataob naman ng Petrogas Angels ang Chocomocho Flying Titans 25-18, 25-21, 25-18. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Chisaet matapos nagtala ng 15 excellent sets at 7 excellent digs. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of August 6, 2024. Para sa Pool A, Creamline Coal Smashers 3 wins 1 loss 10 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 3 wins 1 loss 9 points. Cherry Tigo Crossovers 3 wins 1 loss 8 points. Farm Fresh 2 wins 2 losses 5 points. NX Lead Chameleons 1 win 3 losses 2 points. Galleries Tower High Risers 0 win 4 losses 2 points. Sa Pool B naman, Akari Chargers 5 wins 0 loss 13 points. Signal HD Spikers 4 wins 1 loss 12 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 3 wins 2 losses 8 points. Petrogas Angels 2 wins 3 losses 7 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 1 win 4 losses 5 points. Zeus Thunderbells 0 win 5 losses 0 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong August 8, 2024 na gaganapin sa PhilSports Arena. Sa first game, maglalaban ng Farm Fresh kontra sa PLDT High Speed Hitters alauna ng hapon. Sa second game, magtutos ang Creamline Coal Smashers at NX Lead Chameleons alas 3 ng hapon. At sa main game naman, maglalaban ng Galleries Tower High Risers at Cherry Tigo Crossovers alas 5 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.